A wild duck. He's just making little ducky noises. Well, we're at Animal Kingdom, and this is... Not sure what we're doing today. We want to see the Festival of the Lion King for sure. This is what Casey's shoe looks like from the back when he's grumpy and doesn't know where to film the intro. The rhinoceros iguanas in the back there, you can see his head. And then there's just a random duck.
Oh, he's way back there.
And if you'd like to see Casey in the wild, he's editing a short on the go. He's a little grumpy too. Look at the lizard on the sign. Pretty birdies. Oh, so pretty. The dabbling ducks. And the diving ducks. Hey, friends. Hey, look at them eating. So peaceful over here in the oasis. Apparently we're heading to Everest, so join us. First glimpses of Everest. Everest in all her glory. Oh, there goes a train going up. Let's get over there. We made it! The partridges. Oh. Oh, that's probably what's happening. If they discover the eggs, they replace them with mock eggs so that they can monitor the health of the egg. Yeah.
This should be like
Look at how pudgy. How pudgy-wudgy.
See, doesn't he have the same markings as the one in there? Yeah, he does. Yeah. That's cool.
That's the Malayan Great Argus.
I love these guys. I love
the same as the thing that you thought was a peak. I don't know if it's the same.
Behind you. Look over here. Did you see him marching down the path with his stick, all proud?
No, I didn't. That's cute. Pretty, pretty. Pretty birdies. And I haven't been here since the frost. And I went, wow, there's not a lot of shade here. And it's because this tree looks like this.
When I was walking.
What are we waiting in line for?
Festival of the Lion King. I think it starts soon.
It starts at noon. And we're here and the line goes way back there.
Kamari, welcome. We have been expecting you. We're here today to welcome you one and all to the Festival of the Lion King. How are we doing? We are a band of singers who travel with Simba and his friends throughout the land with this celebration. Time for introductions. My name is Kiume and I'm the leader of our group. Kiume is Swahili for masculine and strong. What do you think? Next, we have Naka, which is Swahili for good looking. Hey, good looking. And this is Kibibi, which means impatient. It means princess. Alright, now on the count of three, let's use those sounds to call them in. All together now. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. If you please. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze. This delicious morning.
New stuff.
New stuff.
The Colobus monkeys. AKA what Corbin used to call the Columbus monkeys.
Look at it right there.
Way up there.
Oh, there's another one.
Can I pet that dog? Those captains are walking away because they literally just fed the okapi. Goes to the forest. Bunch of people. That's cool. We're in the room with the naked mole rats and stuff. Not too busy in here today. Look at that pile of them right there. Sleeping right there. A million. This fat frog just chilling in there. Very cool. Pancake tortoise.
A bow too.
So we got 2 items here that we've never seen. We have this cool Baymax mochi ears. And then on the other side we have
Wilderness Explorers. With the badges. Let me see if they're on the back as well. Ready?
Look what the badges are. They're like the badges from the park.
Yeah, they are the badges from the park.
Amanda didn't notice it until I told him that.
Dinosaur. Casey, it's Goofy. Haha, just kidding. It's Pluto, but if you know, you know. Pluto's eating over there.
Are you ready, Freddy? I think so.